The I-Team's Lindsay Gardner is digging deeper into today's testimony.
Lindsay, tell us more about the new information we learned on Brown's daughter, Chantrell.
Well, Mary and Tom, we learned that she was way more involved than the public and the media first thought. We learned that through today's testimony. It explains why Chantrell Brown is fighting to plead the Fifth and stay off the witness stand. Chantrell Brown pictured with her mother at one of the expensive events now in question. The government told the jury it was one-door money that paid for Chantrell's 50th birthday cake at a Congressional Black Caucus event in honor of Corrine Brown. The price tag, $750. What's more, we learned today that donations to the fake charity also paid for $2,200 in car repairs on her Mercedes and for her to fly round trip to the Virgin Islands. She's also pictured with her mother on the former fake charity's website. The FBI also testified Chantrell cashed a $3,000 one-door check in L.A. to pay for a shopping trip with her mom on Rodeo Drive. Chantrell Brown is an attorney for a lobbying firm in Washington, D.C. Yet today we saw emails from her entered into evidence against her mother, both to Ronnie Simmons, the man the defense says is the true mastermind and criminal manipulator. In one, she writes, CB was okay with the draft I showed her this morning, but she added a few more drinks. She was talking about the menu of food to be served at the Beyonce concert that One Door dropped $13,000 of donations on. Barbecue, shrimp, cookies, limeade, and booze, totaling $3,600 charged to the One Door debit card. In another email she writes to Simmons, CB's good about the band, referencing the band that would play at another Congressional Black Caucus event to honor her mom. One Door funds paid for 4 parties over 4 years, costing between $40,000 and $50,000 apiece. Brown's defense says these were networking events and kids did benefit through the Congressional Black Caucus. On our courtroom roundtable on News4Jax at 4, I asked attorney Rhonda Peoples-Waters about Chantrell Brown's emails today. What is she doing involved in this anyways?
I absolutely think that that's a concern, and that is a question that the jurors will be looking to hear from Corrine, obviously, when she testifies. Why is it that your daughter is so involved? What's her role here? Apparently, she's connected with the same firm that Tammy Bondi is, who also, of course, was responsible for some of those donations. Why is it that your car expenses are being utilized and paid for out of this One Door funding? So those are hard questions that certainly, regardless of how much money was used for those China trips, if it doesn't amount to this $800,000 that was collected, I think that that is the hurdle that Corrine has to get over.
Chantrell Brown's attorney has filed a motion to keep her from testifying. She's invoking her Fifth Amendment right to not incriminate herself. If that is approved, get this, the jury will never know about it. That will happen completely without their knowledge. However, the government could compel her to testify if they offer her full immunity, meaning they cannot indict her down the road. But so far, no deal. In the newsroom, Lindsay Gardner, Channel 4, the local station.
Thank you, Lindsay. Our coverage continues right now on News4Jax.com. You'll find a detailed account of how prosecutors say the money flowed into and out of One Door, plus more legal analysis from local attorneys and sketches from inside the courtroom. Head to News4Jax.com/trial.